If you're like me, you're wondering, okay, how much do I actually have to assemble if in fact I were to buy this small little portable workbench off of Amazon? And honestly, it's not that small. It's actually a good size. I got the largest possible size, and we are going to go through exactly how to put this together. So before you make this purchase, you're actually educated. It really doesn't take that much time. As you can see, they come in some very large sections like so. Everything is numbered. As you can see, that says 16 on there, and it's just a matter of assembling according to the instructions. If in fact you can put together Legos, then you can put together this. First of all, unraveling all of the saran wrap is incredibly annoying, but once you get that out of your system, you're basically going to start with the base level of everything, put all 4 of those legs on, and then simply follow the instructions one by one. The next layer, as you can see, is taking shape. I'm going to put the wheels on just like so. And then we are going to put some accessories on the side. And then we are going to be putting the very top on just like this. It does come with all of the necessary screws. I happen to have 1 screw left over, so if you have the same, don't be alarmed. I'm in the same boat. And then we're going to put this little extension on like so. And this part is optional. I actually like it. It gives me another 12 inches on the end. And then we're going to put the handle on the far end. And then, of course, don't forget this little rack right there. And then the little hooks. And then, of course, the bottle opener. It's just a nice little pickle to have that. And then the worst possible part, I kid you not, is taking off this wrap right here. This took me 10 straight minutes. But overall, once everything is done, it is sturdy, it is shiny, it looks fantastic. It's the perfect height for barbecuing. I hope this helps.